Write on an envelope or even create an envelope. This is the simplest process. You click on mailing, you click envelope. You see this? You could set it here and apply direct, or you just say add to document. Just say add to document. It appears here. This is your envelope. Now you can start creating or designing. So if you want to send envelope to someone, it's simple. You can just look at it. You press your tab button. Now you can now follow the process of printing to print on your envelope.